And welcome back, everyone. And now, with our last lecture in the course, I'm going to talk to you about the deadly sins never to use, never to use while writing a professional email. First deadly sin is never use the reply to all. Never use the reply to all technique. Use the sparingly reply. Reply always to one person, one by one. If you need to use the reply to all technique, you have to proofread your email once, twice, and thrice before clicking on the send button. Number 2 deadly sin is never send non-business related updates. What I mean is, don't send professional emails or emails to business partners updating them on updates that doesn't relate to business issues. They will be acquainted that this person sends spam messages all the time. So when you come to send a professional business email, they will just disregard it and it won't be opened. Number 3 deadly sin is never put a person in the CC or in the copy if you are expecting him or her to be the main recipient of your email. What I mean is, if I am directing my email to Sandra, so Sandra's name must be put in the to button or in the to tab, not in the copy tab. The CC tab or the copy tab is only used when you want people to see this email as a piece of information, FYI technique, not to be the main recipients of the email. Another deadly sin is never forget your signature in your email. Never send your email without a signature. Any emails to be sent without a signature is an anonymous emails. So anonymous emails are disregarded and not opened. They may be transferred to the bin or the trash without being opened or read. Last deadly sin is never attach huge attachments. Never attach or never put extremely large attachments in your emails. Because they will cause or they will end either in your email won't be sent because it's huge, or it will be transferred automatically to the outbox, or your email won't reach the recipient because you will block the email's recipient with this huge, extremely large size attachment. So please don't attach huge or big sized attachments to your emails. By this, we came to an end of our course. I hope you benefited from it and from every single information you learned in it. Thank you.